Have you ever wondered how is it to post your first meme coin or be the first and make thousands of dollars of profit just because you were the fastest? I got you. So we will talk about how to make this dream come true. I will show you tier 1 bot with a Chrome extension, which will help you to feel that. Bloom Solana is one of the fastest and easiest to deal trading bot with ability of full customization due to users' preferences. How to install it? Go to official Telegram bot, I will leave a link below in the description. You need to create an account and deposit your first SOL. As you can see, I already did that, and after all that stuff, all the features will be able. Let's have a quick check. What do we got here? We need to print start, and here we are. We have an FAK mode. You can create a preset for a token which you want to snipe, and the bot will buy it by itself. Here, a quick review. I will leave a link for the video below, and you can watch the full process of creating it. And we have got a cool referrals system, which pays you % of commissions, which your friends trade, and some other stuff. But our topic is Chrome extension, so let's move on. Okay, now we are at the official page of the bot, and here you can have a quick look of the platforms which are supported. I will show you on the pump fund as an example. We open a random token. I don't know what is that, but that is not really important right now. I want to show you the interface of this bot. It looks like this, and I want to repeat all of that stuff here. You can customize as you want. How to do that? Let's go. After you enter that extension, you can see a lot of labels and you don't know what does it mean, but don't worry, I will explain everything. First of all, you have to name your preset. That can be a random name of the token you want to snipe, or you can even name it like trading preset, and you will use it just for sniping some tokens and make online trading when you don't need to turn this bot on. After you deposited Solana on your wallet, you have to choose the amount of Solana which will be used for trading. Then for that buttons look like this, quick sell, you need to write them using a commas to make them work. Now let's talk about these two labels. They are not really important because if you will buy that tokens online with your own hands, that is not important because price will dump and pump really fast and you just have to control it by yourself. By slippage, I recommend you to use between 20 and 25, and the reason is the same, that the token is really volatile and you won't have any time to think and you need to do everything fast. Sell fee, we put just the same as the buy fee, and sell tip too, because I don't want to repeat everything one more time. That's not really important. And sell slippage, I recommend the same because all that reasons I've named before. Anti-mu protect for buys, it depends on your balance. If you deposit really much SOL and you are afraid to be scammed, you can turn it on. But if you deposit like up to 1 SOL, that's not really important. You can just turn it off. Anti-mu for sells, we can turn off too. I can explain to you what does it mean. Anti-mu protect is a thing which saves your money from the bots which are taking your transactions and delay it, and they can change the tokens CA for theirs and you will just pay them your money. So just guys, be careful and do your own research and choose what you want. But my recommend is if you don't have a big amount of money, you can turn it off because they won't be interested in you.